Hi, good morning. Today I'm going to show you a step-to-step guide to running reports in the Dynamics 365. The Dynamics 365 uses the DataVerse, which is a central data storage system to store all your business information. This allows you to create reports based on various entities or tables within your Dynamics 365 environment. The example to easy to make Dynamics reports include, for example, new leads on a weekly basis, invoice due date, tasks due in the next week or next month, top monthly salespeople, hot opportunities, progress against the KPIs, contact with missing information in the records, and the source of new leads. In this video, I'm going to covering some way to producing reports in the dynamic system, including exporting to Excel, building a report, how to making a new charts in the dynamic system, adding new charts to a dynamics dashboard, how to interactive your dashboards, and I will show you how to creating reports with reports widgets and how to add the groupings. Many business users are already familiar with Excel, making it a natural starting point for exploring the reporting options in the Dynamics 365. One of the simplest ways to get started is to export the Dynamics data directly to Excel. To create a basic report, navigate to the Leads modules within Dynamics. From the View settings, choose a view that displays the relevant leads information. If you need a more tailored view, you can also create a new one. Once you have selected a view, you can customize it by adjusting the select search criteria and changing which columns are displayed. Then, simply click the Export to Excel drop-down and select Statistic Worksheet. Your Excel spreadsheet will now be downloaded and ready for analysis. You can leverage the Excel's powerful features to create insightful reports, including charts, groupings, profits table, and graphics. This method is particularly useful for sharing reports with users who don't have direct access to Dynamics. While Excel is a tool for many users, it can become inefficient. Dynamics 365 offers built-in reports capacity that provide real-time updates and are easily accessible within the system. To create a report on lead source, start by navigating to the Advanced Find tools. Firstly, click the search box at the top of the screen. At the bottom of the overlay, click Search for rows in a table using advanced filters. Then we can select Leads from the list of tables and click Continue. Afterward, choose Filters to show only the leads that you are interested in. Then you can choose the status which is equals qualified. To add a second filter, you can click plus add from the screen, choose add row. Keep adding filters and click apply. You can change the filters and columns at any time using the Edit Columns and Edit Filters buttons. When you have a list of leads that you'd like to report on, choose Show Graph. From the drop-down, choose Leads by Source. Then you will see a simple chart displaying your popular leads sources. Click on any of the segments to show the leads that only shown from the sources. If the chart that you are looking for doesn't appear in the list, you can use the chart editor. There is another option for using charts by making a new chart in Dynamics. Firstly, when you are viewing a chart, click the three dots buttons in the menu and choose New. Then, the chart editor will be opened. In the first drop-down box, which called Legend Entries, choose a field to display on the vertical axis. In the Aggregate drop-down box, choose an option to group the field by. Next, choose a field from the horizontal, which is Category, drop-down to display on the category axis. After that, your simple bar chart is ready to use. There's also a tip is to improve your charts. You can choose extra data series and different chart types. Also, if you want to add charts to your Dynamics dashboard to view your charts all together in one report, you can make a dashboard to display charts and data leads by starting a new dashboard. Firstly, click on Dashboard, then click New, and then to Dynamics 365 Dashboard. Secondly, choose a layout and click Create. Thirdly, name your dashboard. You will now see a lot of blank area where you can add lists, charts, and other components. Afterward, you can click Insert Chart. Then you can choose a row entity, choose a view, and choose a chart that which you like, and then you can click Add. After you add the charts that you like, and you can press Save. Then you'll be able to view the dashboard in the Dashboard Chooser under My Dashboards. When you are feeling confident to creating the view and charts to add to the dashboard, the next step for you is to use interactive dashboards. These are often used as a quick way to manage your work. You can see records, data, charts, and all of them in one place. The items are all interactive, meaning you can drill down each element to move deeper into the data or view any associated records. You can also creating reports with report widgets in the Dynamics 365 Online. From the left-hand navigation menu, you can click Reports, select New, and the new report screen will appear on your screen. Afterward, click the Report Widgets buttons and click Next. After that, enter a name for the reports and choose a record type, which is entity, to include. Afterward, you can choose your criteria. Hit Next. On the next screen, you can add columns to your reports. If you wish to group your data, click here and add a grouping. Once you have hit into the click here to add a grouping, you can select the record type and the column name to group by. Then you can click OK. You will be asked if you would like to add groupings and some more columns. Click Next if you are interested, or fill in the blanks, then click Next. Choose a layout, then click Next. The reports will finally appear into the list with the other reports in the system. You can also group on several columns of the data in the same report selections, which can make your data easier to understand at a glance.